Perhaps as you watch your flag being lowered slowly, you might reflect on that price that your liberty has been bought and paid with. Lowering the colors. Open your hands. No. It's all right.
Yes, we do.
All right. So, we did not start folding the flag into a triangle until World War II time frame. So what we are going to do with this historic flag is do it the way they would have done it. Now they had two options. Option number one, you punch it up in the ball, throw it in the box. We're not going to do that. And there's option number two. Now, you understand that this Civil War was not truly a war North versus South. So we got anybody from Kentucky, anybody from Missouri? Not exactly northern states, are they? Yet, they remain loyal to the Union. For our purposes right now, we're going north and south. This side you were north, this side you were south. South. Give your edge to the north. Pick up the new edge, even it out, straighten it out. One more fold, this time north. Give your edge to the south. What I'd like you to do is put one arm underneath the flag and hold it with the other arm. What did they do at this point? They simply hold it up. Folks, thank you for your help. Make your way back over. We're going to wrap this up. Like a big Tootsie Roll for you.
Go ahead.
I'd like to conclude this quote in this program with the quote by one of my very favorite Americans of all time, Mary Morrison. Mary Morrison. We'll use his stage name. John Wayne, perhaps you've heard of him. Oh yeah, him. That's not the quote, by the way, when he said life is hard. It's harder if you're stupid. Although that is true, and I can vouch for that. Please don't ask, though. And John Wayne says, sure, I wave the American flag. Do you know of a better flag to wave? And sure, I love my country with all her faults. I'm not ashamed of that. Never have been, never will be. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming out and visiting your park, Fort Sumter.